Yo, we should def check out that shield crack. I'm down. Enemy shield
Nicely. Oh, God, I'm really missing with the Sentinel right now, man.
recharging shields. Reloading. Enemy shield cracked.
Damn, I just got a sick highlight. I just got a sick highlight, I can't even lie. Oh no. No.
Oh god. What? A good compliment pushing up to you, mate. Fuck me.
He's on.
Some people.
Yeah, they're on us now, they're on us. That's one.
I used to
I'm burning them. I fragged them. Oh shit, pushed too far. Go, 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 go. Get over that hill. Good. They have a lifeline, so they're gonna res.
Showbiz, man. I had this bugged out dream last night that I was the devil's son, B. I was doing some ill shit.
When I was 12, I went to hell for Jesus. When I was 12, I went to hell for Jesus. I'm waving automatic guns and nuns. When I was 12, I went to hell for Jesus. When I was 12, I went to hell for Jesus. When I was 12, I went to hell for Jesus. I'm waving automatic guns and nuns.
L's a rebel, on a higher level, go get the shovel. Cause I'm the only son of the motherfucking devil. It's a fact, I'm living foul. Black nigga should've known I was sick from the shit got mad cause something bad happened. A nigga hit me with a can of beer, then he ran in fear. Later they found him hanging from a chandelier. Enemies, I be bucking quick. My moms know who I am cause she know who she was fucking with. On my scalp is 666, no tricks when I catch fits. My mom picks up the crucifix, and I kill chumps for the cheapest price. I'm rolling with Satan, not Jesus Christ. Enemies, I got several done. Big L, straight from hell, the motherfucking devil's son. It's Big L, and I'm all about taking funds. I'm a stone villain, known for killing and raping nuns. Hey yo, I even kill handicapped and crippled bitches. Look at my scalp real close and you'll see 666s. There's no doubt, I'm all about $1. I just signed a lifetime contract with the funeral parlor. This kid, yo, owed me dope. I didn't take his life. Instead, I tied him up and made him watch me rape his wife. One nigga cold tried to diss me and that shit is risky. The nigga took a swung, but he missed me. So I popped off, now the jump's knocked off. I spit in his motherfucking face and then boxed off. Once a hottie shot me with a shotty, I died, but then I came back to life in another body. The way I'm living is dead wrong. I'm a devil from hell without the tail or the red horse. Killing is fun. I'm number one with a gun, frontin' and done because you can't run from the devil's son. The Big L is strictly gunplay. I run a church and pistol whip the streets every Sunday. Once I put out the crazy order, I sent niggas to kill Tom, his mom, and his baby daughter. I'm living up to my extortion image. I be stalking Lennox, catching more bodies in abortion clinics. The kids tried to take L out, shot me in the chest with a tech. I just laughed and spit the shell out. Next I took his gun, then he
Come with me, Lou. I'm gonna fucking ult this. This might be the worst play ever. Actually, I don't really know where to ult, to be honest. Oh my god, that.
Oh, yep, sick old man.
There's nowhere to ult.
Fucking ult anywhere. There's like 10 mates next to us. Stood there and took it.
I thought I'd have an angle.
It's your plan again.
I thought I'd have an angle.
Come with me. Fucking 6 mates on us. Just fucking standing there. Oh.